Welcome to Manchester People First's annual report. This tells you what we have been doing from the 1st of April 2019 to the 31st of March 2020. We sent the annual report to all our members inside issue 82 of our newsletter. At our annual general meeting held on the 24th of October 2019, we elected our management committee. These were Joanne Smith, Richard Hughes, Barry Edwards and Kasim Safdar. During the year, there were changes. Barry and Kasim stood down. Paul Hughes and Nathan Cairns joined the committee in their place. Our staff team were Andy Needle, Stephen Hughes, David Dunico, Leah Himes, Derek Owen, Stephen Blake, Louise Crowley, Joanne Hickenbotham and Christopher Kenny. Sean, Chloe and Ethan came to work with us. Sean Wilson from Breakthrough UK started a placement with us, working on Wednesdays. Chloe came as a student placement from an organisation called We Mind the Gap, which helps young people learn new skills to get a job. Ethan was the latest student from Lancasterian School in Didsbury to come and do their work experience with us. He went with staff and members to different meetings and came to some of our events such as our Hate Crime Day and annual general meeting. We are sorry to say that two of our regular members, Barry Edwards and Andrew Herbert, passed away. We will miss them. We had to close the office in March because of the coronavirus. The staff worked from home. The committee met by video. We didn't think we would have to stay closed for as long as we have. We planned on reopening at the start of October 2020, but decided it was still too much of a risk for people's health. The government have said people should work from home if they can, and not to use public transport unless they have to. We will reopen when it is safe to. We were not able to hold our annual general meeting in October because of the coronavirus. The Charities Commission have said we can carry on with the committee we have until it is safe to have meetings again. Before we closed, we were able to hold lots of workshops. Mac funded a session about hate crime with Louise Tanner from the safeguarding team, Louise, our police community support officer, and Sharon Jones, the football poet. We got a small grant from Ambition for Ageing to run a project called Join Us, Join In. This was about making meetings more accessible. We published 2 guides, put on a training session for Ambition for Ageing, and ran a workshop for our own members to help them take part in meetings. We were asked by Manchester City Council to look at the information they put out about taxis. Some of our members use taxis and have had mixed experiences about them. So we put on a workshop for members about the rules about different sorts of taxis and how to stay safe when using them. We also had workshops about self-advocacy, registering to vote, and dental health. We had one-to-one sessions with Health Watch Manchester and held a first aid course for members. Members could meet privately with staff and volunteers from Health Watch and talk about any problems or issues they were having with health services in the city. Richard Hughes joined the Health Watch Board of Trustees. He goes with Andy to their meetings so the concerns of people with a learning disability are heard. We went to the Regional Self-Advocates Conference in Blackpool. We host the Greater Manchester Confirm and Challenge meetings. We are part of the disability panel that advises Greater Manchester Mayor Andy Burnham. We went to meetings to give feedback and our ideas on the Our Manchester Disability Plan. We had a stall at the NHS Big Health Check event in Cheetham Hill. NHS England asked us how they could make services better for people with a learning disability. We have been helping Ordinary Lifestyles run their advocacy forum. Manchester Healthcare Commissioning asked 20 of our members what they thought about an idea to stop prescribing medication that could be bought cheaply over the counter. We had social events such as our annual pool tournament, an Easter competition, come dine with us, a laid-back chat over lunch with food donated by FareShare. Our Chatty Tuesdays group got a grant to start a drama group. Our Under One Roof rave night at a nightclub in town sold out every time. Thanks to Alice and her team, the Meat-Free DJs, these are one of the most popular things we have ever done. We celebrated Christmas with a trip to the pantomime, a visit by St Joseph's School Choir, our big party at St Kent's in Fallowfield, and a Christmas meal for our members at the office. The pantomime was Cinderella at Middleton Arena. Andy was volunteered to go on stage and sing I'm a Little Teapot. Once again, St Kent's in Fallowfield opened their doors to us for a hot buffet, drinks, raffles and dancing. This year we sold tickets through Skiddle and were pleased at how well it went. After the Christmas meal, we made up 35 bags of fruit, veg and treats for our members who come into the office, with food given to us by FareShare. We got £155,000 and we spent £149,000, which is nearly £6,000 less. Anyone can ask to see our full accounts for the year. Thank you for watching this version of our annual report.